Hi everyone and welcome to Display Repair. If the door of your car will not shut completely all of a sudden, then we'll show you a possible solution to this problem. It's quick to do, you will not need many tools, and it only takes minutes of your time. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website DisplayRepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. Now, for this simple repair, all you're going to need is a can of WD-40 spray with this small straw, so you can reach inside the mechanism of the door lock, and you'll need a simple flathead screwdriver. You can use a Phillips screwdriver also, but a flathead is more effective. Now, to mention why this happens in the first place. Well, if you look at the lock mechanism, it has the lock here and you have the latch on the pillar of the car. This mechanism here grabs to the latch over there. What happens in most cases is that because of an accident or because kids may have touched the lock, you may have washed the car, you may have done something around the locking mechanism. This, instead of being fully open to attach to the latch, it goes up like this. Okay, 1 or even 2 steps. And what happens is the locking mechanism cannot attach to the latch, and you get a situation like this one, where the door simply knocks onto the latch and will not attach. When this happens, it is extremely important that you do not slam the door against the car. People do this thinking that they will solve the problem, that the door latch will release itself by slamming the door. What you will in fact do is damage the whole locking mechanism right here. Okay, you'll damage the latch, you'll damage the mechanism, and you'll probably be in for a replacement of the locking mechanism, which on most cars is pretty expensive. Now, there are 2 ways to solve this problem. The first way is to try and pull the handle. In case of the Skoda, the locking mechanism is made in such a way that when you pull the handle, the locking mechanism opens. So we're gonna pull it, and as you see, the locking mechanism goes up all the way and you can close the door without any problems. Now, sometimes you'll also encounter that the door lock is, as you've seen probably here, is full of dust, it's full of filth, and it gets stuck, so to say. So when you pull the door handle, it won't return to that position and gets stuck. Well, in that case, just use the flathead screwdriver and give the lock a simple push, okay? Just be careful that you don't scratch the door, but just, wherever you find convenient, sort of push it into the open position. So if it was to happen in real life, I would stick the screwdriver right here, I would pull the door handle, and the locking mechanism would open. If the locking mechanism is of a different build, you'll see a small little metal piece right here in this position. This is where it usually is. Here on the Skoda it is a hole, because again the whole locking mechanism is different. And if you see that on your car, you'll see this small little metal lock holding this bigger part here. And this is the part that causes the problem. So in that case, take the flathead screwdriver and just push that metal part here, push it downwards, and you'll see the locking mechanism open. And that's the solution to the problem. And once you've done that, okay, we'll return it into place. Take the WD-40 spray and spray a bit onto the locking mechanism. This is good to revive the locking mechanism a bit and to make it work better, be more long lasting, and for the door to close much easier. I would recommend that you spray WD-40 or silicone spray on all 5 of the latches on your car. This is including the boot latch. The end result is that the door opens and closes perfectly. No problems at all.